This is Sean Technical Company, one of his products that arrived in Warri, Delta States. So I came to install it for him. As you can see, everything is working. This is 50 ice block capacity. You can see it have a 2-door. 50 capacity ice block machine working actively. Just install it, that's it, ready to be working. So you can patronize him, chat him up on WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere. You answer and deliver your own nationwide world. Anywhere you are is not a barrier. You can see it, everything is working actively. You can call him, DM him. We'll make your one available. Thanks.